Social Studies, Lesson number 12, India, our country. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. This is country India, and this greenish part is the continent Asia. India is located in the southern part of the continent Asia. India stretches for 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to south. It is the seventh largest country in the world. India shares its borders with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the island neighbors across the high seas. Again, Sri Lanka and Maldives are the island neighbors across the high seas. India is a beautiful country with varied physical features. It has beautiful hills and mountains, plains and plateaus, forests, a long coastline, islands, and a vast desert covered with sand dunes. Rivers that flow through the country make the plains fertile. The southern part of India is a peninsula. It is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. The Bay of Bengal along the east coast, the Arabian Sea along the west coast, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. The Tropic of Cancer passes through country from east to west. India, located in the continent Asia, total area more than 3 crore 2 lakh square kilometer. Neighbors that share their boundary with India are Pakistan, Nepal, China, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. India's neighbors offshore are Sri Lanka and Maldives. India extends from Gujarat in west to Arunachal Pradesh in east by 2,933 kilometers. India extends from Jammu and Kashmir in north to Kanyakumari in south by 3,214 kilometers. India extends from 68° east to 97° east approximately longitudinal extent. India also extends from 8° north to 37° north approximately latitudinal extent. Now we will talk about India and its neighbors. First country, Nepal, that's capital is Kathmandu. India touches Nepal on three sides, 1, 2, and 3. The Himalayan ranges are common to both countries. Some rivers flow from Nepal to India, for example, Kosi. Next country we will talk about is China, that's capital is Beijing. River Brahmaputra that flows through India starts as Sangpo in China, Tibet. The Himalayas touch both India and China and form a natural boundary between the two countries. Next country, Pakistan, and its capital is Islamabad. River Indus flows through India to Pakistan. The northern plains of India and the Thar deserts, northern plains of India and the Thar desert extend into Pakistan. Next country is Bhutan. Its capital is Thimphu. The Himalayas are common physical feature between both the countries, Bhutan and India. Next country, Bangladesh, and its capital is Dhaka. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra flow through India and Bangladesh. This is Ganga and this is Brahmaputra. They flow through both the countries, India and Bangladesh. The, the Ganga Delta extends into both countries. Next country is Myanmar. That's capital is Naypyidaw. The IMT, that means I stands for India, M stands for Myanmar, and T stands for Thailand. IMT is highway that will be completed soon and the countries will be connected by road. Next country is Sri Lanka. That's capital is Colombo. The Indian Ocean touches both the countries. Indian Oceans touching both the countries Sri Lanka and India. And the Park Strait, this Park Strait separates both the countries. Strait is a narrow stretch of water that separates two mainland, and here the strait park is separating two mainlands of these countries, India and Sri Lanka. Now let's discuss these questions which are based on the topics we have covered in this video. First is true false. We have to write T for true and F for false statement. First, India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is true. The northern part of India is a peninsula. That is false, because the southern part of the India is a peninsula. Third, the total area of India is more than 3 crore 2 lakh square kilometer. That is true. Fourth, India touches Nepal on three sides. True. Fifth, the Himalayas are a common physical feature between India and Sri Lanka. False. Second exercise is circle the correct options. Two options are given here to us. Between both, we have to encircle the correct one. So, first one is India is the seventh or ninth largest country in the world. So, right answer is seventh. Second, Kanyakumari is the northernmost or southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. So, it is southernmost. Third, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra or Yamuna flow through India and Bangladesh. Correct answer is Brahmaputra. Fourth, the Pak Strait separates India and Myanmar or Sri Lanka. So, Sri Lanka is the correct answer. Physical divisions. India can be divided into the following physical divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains, and the islands. Political divisions. As we know, India is a large country. For better running of the country, India was divided into smaller areas called states and union territories. India is described as a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Union territories are under the direct control of the central government. The states have their own government. The capital of a state is the seat of the government, hence, it is very important. The capital of India is New Delhi. The offices of the Government of India are based in New Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi has a chief minister to look after its affairs. These are the all 8 Indian union territories. Now let's have a look of Indian states and their capital list. Andhra Pradesh, capital Hyderabad. Proposed capital Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru, formerly Bangalore. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agratala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun in winter and Garsan in summer. West Bengal, Kolkata. Following are the Union Territories of India with its capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital Port Blair. Chandigarh, capital Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, capital Daman. Delhi, capital New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, capital Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Puducherry, Pondicherry. Ladakh, Leh. Look at the political map of India. In terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. The seven northeastern states of India, popularly called the Seven Sisters, are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. India is a huge country and has the second largest population in the world. There are more than a billion people in India. People of different castes and religions live together. They speak different languages and wear different clothes but are bound together by love for their motherland. Bharat is the other name of India. Thank you.